Okay, guys, part 2. These phones, after so much, you can't go over like 15 because it won't let you upload on my phone. So, but I'm so excited, like really excited about getting to get my CNA license. I do believe I've been praying about this for a while, but for some reason I've always wanted to go into like the hospice care, and so I think that's the route I'm going to go. You know, without a vision, we perish. And I keep looking that way. I need to be looking in the camera here. If we don't have a vision, things won't happen. You got to believe. You have to have faith. And when the old devil comes and tries to discourage you, you just got to shield it. Shield your faith. Shield the armor of God. And let God have his way. That's the key. Because the devil don't like happiness. The devil is just like a raging lion, man. I used to have this huge appetite and I could sit down and eat this whole thing, but now it's like, I don't know. Oh, look. See the doggies? This is really good. I need coffee, guys, like really bad. I've only had 1 cup today. I'm about to. Eat one of these. Those dogs are cute. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just... Man, I really don't feel good. I hate this. And then I come on here and film for you guys in the middle of it. These are good. I'm weird though, because I don't like all the bread on it. And so... That's enough of that mess. What is this? Yeah, I got all this stuff. I'm going to have to squeeze by the daggum Walmart here in a minute and get me some daggum. I'm done with this. Get me a coffee. Somebody just pulled in here and then backed out of here and left like an idiot. Wow. I just said like an idiot. That's funny. People down here don't have no sense, guys. I'm just saying. Sometimes I don't have no sense either. So, yes, I have my seatbelt on. It's just all jacked up. We are about to go over here to this school to sign up. So, woohoo! This view here sucks. I'm sorry, guys. So, anyways, the overcast here is gray and like it's making me sleepy. My hair is a hot mess today. But again, guys, I'm really thankful for you guys' prayers. They have been working. It's like I start feeling better, and then it's like I'll feel better for a little bit, and then it's like ups and downs. I'm like, oh Lord. But I don't know if it's like it's been so long, but like, man, since I've had my kids, like I got tired, but it was just from like having kids and then like all the newness and all that mess. But this here, this is like the back pain that I'm having. It's not like excruciating back pain, but it's like when you have like, I know this is TMI, but considering what I'm dealing with, when you have like period cramps, you know how like your back hurts, and if you've ever had a child, like had your babies or whatever, if you've had a kid before, you know how you get like back labor feelings and the cramps that's just there. That's what I've been having, and I'm like, oh my God. So if it wasn't for that, and like of course, you know, the bleeding and stuff, it wouldn't be that bad. But it's a mess. I'm so over this and ready to get better and feel better and, you know, just be back to normal. Because it seriously interferes with me. Like when I'm trying to do my videos, I don't know if you can tell, but like I'm pointing out my flaws, guys. I get focused on like me feeling bad, and so it really interferes with me, and I hate that. I'm passing up the Goodwill, guys, and this stupid thing here is shaking because it's a cheapo. It's the big old Big Lots holder thingy-majigger. And so I do believe I'm going to get me coffee over here at McDonald's. But yeah, like I didn't think I had a pre-op checkup or something. Heck, I don't know. But they called today, and I was taking the dogs out, and I missed the phone call. So I'm like, well, dang, they left a voicemail, and like I have an appointment Monday. It was like at 2:40, and I'm like, well, dude, I can't, I don't really want to do it that time of the day. My kids get off at 3 something. And so they rescheduled it to like early that morning. And I was telling her, my symptoms, blah, blah, blah. She said that's normal, but if you get any more pain, to come on in, call, whatever, And I explained to her about starting off, and by the way, I was not given any pain medications. I know somebody had asked me that. I was not given any pain medication whatsoever, because the doctor told Johnny, he said that he had thought that he got like the nerves and all whenever he was getting all like trying to get the cancer cells. And said that more than likely I wouldn't need any pain medication, but due to my back and my bleeding, Lord Jesus, I need something. And so, and I have a huge pain tolerance. Like, I can handle some pain, but like this weakness feeling and the tiredness feeling and like TMI, the bleeding, yeah, it's a bit too much. And so I was telling her that I was taking like ibuprofen, 2, and then like several hours 2 Tylenol, and I done that for like several days. It wasn't cutting it, and so I went and got some I think it's called Pamperin, sort of like Midol. They were out of Midol, and plus it was like $14 or $15 at Rite Aid. I'm like, no. They had one nighttime kind, but it had caffeine in it, and I can't do all that mess because I already drink coffee and I've got heart troubles and blah blah blah. So I found that Pamperin without caffeine, and the first 2 days it helped tremendously. Like, I wasn't hurting as bad, I felt good, and it just leveled me out. And now it's like, no. So I asked her, and she's like, well, you need to take 4 ibuprofen instead of all that other stuff. So when I get home, I'm gonna do that. Just keep praying for me, because guys, I'm ready to be back to myself. I'm ready for it. And I get so agitated because y'all know how feisty I am, and if I can't like get back to that like as quick as I want it, it just really gets under my skin. I'm like, oh my God, I just want to feel good. Anyways, I have just rambled and ranted, and this is just what's going on today, guys. This is it. But it is what it is. You know, I'm living, I'm breathing, I'm blessed. But you know, we're human and we hurt and stuff too. So, but anyways, and coffee yesterday, guys. I'm just going to tell you this. Jesus, coffee. I had 5 cups of freaking coffee yesterday. It was like I couldn't get enough of the mess. I was like, really? Really? So when I was filming the freaking What's in My Pocketbook tag, I was drinking coffee at like freaking, excuse me, I'm saying freaking again. I was drinking coffee at like daggum 9 o'clock. Just because I'm just blah, I need energy, I need something. So I'm in McDonald's getting me a coffee right now. So guys, I'm gonna bounce up off here. I know y'all are probably like, boy, she's full of words today and full of all kinds of stuff today, of what's going on in my life and the life of Stephanie. But anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for the prayers, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'm right here at the freaking McDonald's. See you there. Love you guys.